everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and help me change the world one electric car at a time. If you're returning, thank you. Thank you to all my patrons and all my Electric Israeli store swag shoppers and all that stuff. Thank you so much. If you are into buying a new Tesla, you can certainly use my link and get all kinds of free Tesla supercharging. And my question for today is, where the heck is the Model 3 base? Well, I'm in the Model 3 now, but it's not base. This was the expensive one. So, as you know, the big brouhaha of announcing the Tesla Model 3 base $35,000 and 220 miles and all that stuff. And I'm sure a lot of people made reservations and all that. And not even one was delivered yet. You go to the website, you'll see it still says 6 to 8 weeks. It used to say 2 to 4. Now it's 6 to 8. Yet nothing is going on. Now, Tesla even, not that I really care about these things, Tesla doesn't even know what is the weight of the car. There's no description of what the weight of the car. We know that when the Tesla Model 3 Plus, you know, the 240 miles came out, the description was 3,627 pounds of weight. So we don't know. We know how it looks like, you know, we saw Model 3s, but nobody got it. Is something going on? I mean, I want to tell you that according to a lot of, I did it in another video, Tesla kind of like doesn't want you to buy the 35,000. I cannot imagine what are the margin. I can bet you that they're not that much. And Tesla is like, you know, you can wait 2 months, but you can get the Tesla long range or the Tesla Plus or whatever performance. Once you get that, and you get it right now. I mean, if you Tesla Model 3, literally you can get it right away almost. You know, not the base model. So there's kind of like you know, bait and switch and all that stuff, and you know what I mean. So people are starting to get to know that. I've been reading in blogs that sales reps call people back and say, you know, you can get this one faster, and trying to push the higher model where the margins has to be significantly better. But nobody got the Tesla Model 3 base. What's going on? Are they really trying to sell it, or is just like to bait you to click and then to upsell you with another one? That ain't cool. I don't like that. I think that eventually it will come. Tesla and adhering to timeline is a total oxymoron. Everything is late, but I love Tesla. I love my Tesla Model 3, and I think eventually it will happen. Just like with the Model X, you have to wait for so long and all that. It eventually will come and people will love it. But as of now, it's nowhere to be seen. And even if you see one, you won't even know because they all look the same. So we'll see what happens. I will be following this for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you next time.